Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into our channel. If you're loving our content, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials and reviews. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review a very interesting tool called PlayPlay. It's a relationship manager that lets you discover, organize, and deepen your relationship with different connections. And the connections could be a lot of different sources, such as from social media. And there are some really popular integration options with Clay, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So what you can do with Clay is that you can connect those accounts to Play's platform, and all the connections that are available on your particular social media, all of them are going to appear on Clay. As a result, you do not have to check your social media accounts individually. You can get all of their update and mental relationship with your connection with your friends or even with your clients in one single platform, which is called Clay. And the great news is Clay is available on AppSumo as a lifetime day. So the regular pricing is $230, but at AppSumo, you are getting at 80 off, which is only $49. And this is a one-time payment, which means you have to pay $49 one single time, and you will get lifetime access to Play. So if you want to buy this episode, make sure you check the link in the description below. Clay is an alternative to Hotspot and Pipedrive. Now let's have a look at all the features that are available with this apps module. So as you can see, this is the only tier that you can buy from AppSumo. And these are all the features, so you can get 5,000 viewable contacts. There's one user. A search limit is unlimited. You can create unlimited notes. There are shareable profiles and groups. And there are some other features, and this is the class website. So as you can see on their website, there are some feature mentions. So as you can see, you can connect different types of platforms, everything you know in one place, which means all of your connections are going to be in Place platform. You can deepen your relationships with things like reminders. And then you can also see people updates, such as what people are sharing through Twitter, or if someone has joined Play, an amount of people you are adding, the amount of notes you are writing. And there are also some other features. As you can see, Clay has iOS and Mac OS app. There is no advertising, the data is encrypted, and there is secure access and all other sorts of features. Clay also has some subscription plans. As you can see, these are the annual plans that you can buy. You can also get Clay on monthly plans. As you can see, these are the monthly plans. So after you log into Clay, you will get this dashboard. And currently we are in this home page. So this is a really important page, because on this home page you can see all of your connections update. And before I talk about updates in further, let me tell you how to add your connections. For that, you have to click on this, and then you have to click on setting. Then you should scroll down until you see this connected account. So as you can see, I've connected my Google account. You can also connect Microsoft, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, iMessage, and so on. So after you connect your account, all of your connections are going to appear. For example, you have added your Twitter account, your own personal Twitter account. And if you have some connections on your Twitter account, they are going to appear on this section. Their tweets are going to appear here, which means you do not have to go through Twitter again and again. You can see all of the Twitter updates, and also the same goes for Facebook, LinkedIn. Everything people share, which means your connections share on a social platform, they are going to appear on this section. And on this homepage, there are also going to be the reminders, such as if someone has birthday. You can get the reminder on this page. And on the left side, you can see a small overview, such as the amount of people I have, the amount of nodes I've written, and also my moment. And if we go to this search, we can search for a certain people. And the best part is you can even filter this search option, such as you can filter by location. Then search for that. You can filter by education, social media, date, relationship, and also list everyone. Now let's go to review. So on this review section, as you can see, all of the people that I have added have appeared. And I just added these people in a few moments ago, which is why all of them have these new tag. As you can see, so in this review section, you will get to see some reminders, such as if you have any reminder for anyone, you can see that here. If you have to connect with anyone, you can also see that in here. That is going to appear as tag. And you can also set the reconnection for that click on this. And then you can choose whether you want it to be weekly, monthly, quarterly. So if you set it to weekly, it's going to send you a notification that you have to connect with Isabella after a week. And there are also some other options, such as you can start this contact. You can also contact with this person. You can add different types of notes. You can say the reconnect cadence, and you can also select it as done. So if you click on done, this review is going to be completed. For example, let's click on done, as you can see. Now Isabella has disappeared from this section, and you might ask, what if you want to add some contact information or some other details to a contact? How can you do that? For that, you have to go to this people section, and then on this section, you have to click on that particular contact. Then you can click on the street dots. Now you can add a lot of different things, such as you can ask Nexus about Robert, which is the AI of Clay. You can set the reconnect cadence. You can add this contact to a group. You can edit the other details. You can merge this person. You can also archive this person. So to add different types of details, click on this, as you can see. Now you can add a lot of different types of things, such as the profile information locations. You can add sources. You can clear this profile. You can add their social medias. You can even add their organization information as well as education information if you want to set a reminder or you simply want to add a note. You have to click on the contact once again, and then there are a lot of options, such as you can share the contact, you can reach out to this contact, you can start it, you can add this note on here. So let's add a note. So as you can see, this is the node that I have written. Now let's add this note. This node is going to be as a reminder now. If I go to notes, as you can see, the node has appeared. Now I can also edit this node or even delete this node. And this is a reminder note, which means I'm going to get a reminder tomorrow. So as you can see on this notes section, all of your notes will appear. And if you go to reminders on this section, you can see all of your reminders. As you can see, I have currently 2 reminders upcoming. And then there is a section called shared people. The people that are shared with you will appear on this section, as you can see. And then there is the group section on this section. You can create different types of group. Let's create one. This is going to be my group. I can also select the color for a group. So let's select this mouse gray and click on the sign icon. So as you can see, one group has added now to add people to this group. You have to click on A on your keyboard, and then you can add as many people as you want. For example, that's a robot Abra. When it's, as you can see, 3 people have been added to this G1 group. And if you want to make some changes to the group, you have to click on Edit Group, as you can see. Now you can change the reconnect guidance, the color for this group, and even the name. You can also share this group if you want. So overall, I think Clay is an excellent tool that lets you discover, organize, and deepen your connection. And those connections are from any of your social media, which is great because you do not have to check your social medias individually every time. You can later handle it for you. You are going to get all of their updates, all of your connections updates on the Place platform. And you can even say different types of things, such as reminder, and so on. So if you want to buy Clay on lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. There is currently only one tier on Apsuma available for Clay, which is tier 1 with 49 of price. And these are the features that you're going to get. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.